As part of efforts to improve digital technology standard in the country, a group has called on government at all levels to invest more technology innovation to crush insecurity and boost the economy in Nigeria. They maintain that digital technology innovation in any nation in the 21st century would create job opportunities to the teeming youth as well as bring foreign investors into the country.
Few decades, technology has grown rapidly. Digital innovations increased drastically, which also affects the life of people and changes the way learning, thinking, and communication in the society makes life easier for people. Speaking at the meet and greet in Arewa House, Kaduna, the Northeast Coordinator, Abraham Amandi, says embracing IT and AI digital technology will help in curbing the insecurity confronting the nation and boost the economy, noting that no country develops without technology. He added new digital innovation has the capacity to build and create over 50 different employments to youth, while urging the governments to invest in technology.
Onpassive is an AI and IT that is building over 50 ITs are meant to come and solve business solution and to also correct the corruption going on in the IT world or the IT space. We are coming together to help the government of Nigeria to extend that love, that support that the government are in need for a long time. The founders in the future will actually create a great impact in this country in terms of generating foreign earning that will actually boost the economy of each state. I'm appealing to my fellow brothers from the Northwest and Northeast and Nigeria at large to seize this opportunity so that they will be part of people that will be liberated in the nearest future, that they can also extend the hands of love and support to those that are in need.
Also, a technology expert, Abel Sarkin Noma, says digital technology has important roles to play in every sphere of human endeavor that bridges the gap in communication, learning, and the economy, noting that it improves the society and makes the world a global village, making life easy for all.
The big ones, the big men we're having today, mostly made it out from TC computer, from technology. Making use of that, taking advantage of it is really good. All those things will help the youth. At least it will help reduce poverty and a lot, theft and everything. Because if you have something to do whereby you don't even need to stress yourself, you can just be in your home and then you send a link to someone and then he registers. He gets it's like utility. You get the satisfaction at the same time, get money in return again. Our best in, you understand, to help raise the country to a better height. In the next 5 years, if Nigerians would really take advantage of this ICT, it should be something else, I'm telling you, because due to the population and everything, if you take advantage of this ICT, you would make it.
They appealed to youth and all Nigerians to take advantage of digital technology for greater impact in the nation's economy, while calling on government at all levels to invest more on technology to meet 21st century standard.
Honestly, this is an innovation for everybody. If you are especially with the involvement of youth, youth have embraced ICT. And you can see that in some states, ICT hubs are being created for people. Youths these days are creating mobile apps, they are creating robots, they are creating drones. So ICT has really taken a notch higher. But you see, if only they can infuse artificial intelligence into it, then the sky will only be the starting point for ICT in Nigeria.
Technology plays a major role in every society and the nation with correlated, codependent and co-influence with each other.
Hello, hope you enjoyed the news. Please do subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to hit the notification button so you get notified about fresh news updates.